Hi friends, thank you for joining today. Today we are going to color a beautiful natural scenery. So let's start. First I color sun with yellow color. Here I use yellow color for the flower also. After that red color. Here I use red color not all over the flower. I save some spots like this. Here also. Here. And here I save 2 spots. And here. And after that I add yellow color for that spots like this. And the leaves, first I add green, dark green, and after that yellow color. If you like you can use same color for the leaves. After that the small mountains, first I add dark green, and for the grass also I use dark green as a deep layer to light layer. After that light green like this. Then the clouds, first I add dark blue as a line like this. Here also, and somewhat color it. The big cloud like this. If you like you can use same color for the full cloud, but I use 2 colors. After that light blue like this. And the background I use light blue as a light layer, not thick layer, and I use yellow color like this as a round shape around the sun. So this is our final picture. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for being with me.